Look at that grip.
Who is that?
Yeah, here, I don't want that.
Here,
I'm playing
Dad.
with Barney.
Who's that?
It's going down. The batteries are going
Who
down.
is it?
Surely not so
It
fast.
shows
Taylor wants to see it.
on the instructions to that ball, it shows that at his age, that you're not supposed to be able
Let
to
her
hold
see it.
on to it or
Let's see it.
anything like that.
Can you get it?
Oh, I can't do it. Oh,
Can't hold on
that's
to the
scary.
dirt.
Look at that thing go.
Taylor will hold on to it. Can you get it? Can you get it?
Is that Barney?
Hold on to it. Mama sounds like a better deal.
And,
What is that thing?
Star? A star and a black flag.
That's weird,
What
man.
is it? Flag? A flag?
It won't go in the same place twice.
Is that
will it?
baby bop?
Can you get it?
Green?
That's right, those where it's at.
Oh, that is wicked.
I don't believe I'd want to get it if I just somebody didn't read the instructions to me first.
That is really funny. I like that.
I've never
What
seen
have you
one.
got?
Oh.
Too much. It's scared.
Get that thing and throw it away. Just get rid of it.
Bring it to me. Bring it to me.
Get her in there too.
Go ahead and get it. Take this one. That's like just when you don't want it to come at you, it just comes right at you.
Get it, Taylor.
She's so
Get it for mommy. Get it for, take it to mama.
Bring it over here to
Points
me.
completely out of your...
Take it to mommy.
Let me have it. I want it. Yeah, bring it here. I want it. There you go. Whoa, good.
Can I have it? Yay! All right.
Take it to Daddy.
Taylor,
Heck of a deal.
Taylor.
Good enough for today. Nope, that's it. That's all you get. One time.
Mom really wanted you to go trust it up and take that.
Taylor, here you go.
Take it to Daddy.
Oh no.
You don't want to
Daddy.
cooperate.
There you go.
Oh, give me.
All right.
Good.
Oh yeah.
What a good girl. Can I have it? Can I have it?
Why do people
want this thing?
Somebody
Ooh,
I really
thank
don't like, I
you.
won't have
Ooh, you want it back? You want it back?
it. Bring it over to me. I want it.
The look she's giving him.
Well, no. You want your ball
Are
back?
you crazy?
Stop.
That's a pretty wild toy.
There you go. Thank you.
Makes me cautious.
Go give it to Mama.
Ooh,
Oh, my God. Just
goodness.
thinking, it'd be like us having one this big. Just imagine how that
You like that? Is that a good
That'd
toy?
be horrible. It'd be like us holding one of these up like this TV.
Is that fun to play with?
Turn it off.
They're a win.
I'll hold it till the batteries run dead.
Golly, what is that thing?
Yeah, you don't have to buy batteries for that. It's just no fun at all without.
Look at her. It's like a weight reduction thing, you know? Just shake you to pieces. Here, come here.
Yeah.
What else you got?
She's just in a trance.
What you want?
Are you gonna bring it back to me?
Oh no.
Thank you.
I get all the way over here.
I'm surprised your arm stopped moving.
My goodness.
Here, take it to that guy over there.
Can I see it a bit? I want to look at it. Just put it in my hat. Here. Just set it in my hat.
Hi.
Look at this thing.
Oh, she's blaming you.
Okay.
Here.
Here, put it in my hat. Just stick it down in my hat for me. Just throw it in that hat.
Oh, it got away from us. How do we get it back?
Why don't you just throw it in the floor and see if you can catch it with your hand?
Can we get it? Can we get it? Here.
What is
Daddy
that
should
thing,
be
Taylor?
doing something about this.
Look at that thing. Looks like an outer spaceman or something, huh? What do you got?
The Barney part's
Is
on
that
top.
Barney?
Yeah. Good more tang.
Pull that little thing out, that little.
Actually, it's easier.